Hi there, my name is Amy Ferguson. I use she, her pronouns, and I should not be speaking to you all today. This is not my stage, and I most definitely should not be the one giving voice to what the future of land management and agriculture looks like in this country, so-called Australia. I grew up on Jarrah country and currently live in Wurundjeri country, and over my 19 years of life and education have been taught the narrative that agriculture started 10,000 years ago in the Fertile Crescent. This is the ignorant narrative taught while tens of thousands of years of agricultural and land management history goes disregarded. This is history that happens on the very lands on which we live, work and grow. I seek today not to place blame, but to recognise that on environmental, economic and community levels, things aren't working in the Australia agriculture sector at present. We're seeing pollution, exhaustion of natural resources, the prevalence of both food insecurity and food waste, while also witnessing the disastrous state of mental health in many rural and regional farming communities. We need intentional, intersectional co-design, education and empowered communities, while also ensuring the centralisation of First Nations voices and intellectual property rights are at the core of Australian agriculture.